Unit's not gonna fit here. That's the first problem. We're putting in a side discharge heat pump with electric heat. Increasing the return, 1/8" line set, new drains, new thermostat. This is the air handler. It's huge. I think it's like 36 inches wide. So this is probably gonna be a long day. Just get cut from here. Oh my god, that actually fucking worked. That actually worked. There you go. This is coming out, it's too fucking heavy. And this is gonna be the problem. Got the return bigger because A, it's a 5-ton, it was too small, and B, this is how we're gonna bring the unit in here. Framing looks cracked out, but it's strong enough to stand on, so that's all that matters. Damn, this bitch is heavy.
Send the snake all the way down to the bottom.
What
LB.
the fuck?
Get out of that LB. Get your ground wire.